As the conversation on school violence continues, the police are urging school administrators to be on the lookout for gang activities. It comes amidst concerns that more students have formed gangs since the reopening of school. Kelisha Williams has that story.
Reopened for face-to-face classes, many believe the government would be spending most of its time addressing the learning loss. But programs like the Gang Reduction and Prevention Education Program GRAPE has taken center stage.
When we identify youngsters who are possible or were possibly exposed to gang activities, because you in the school would pick that up before us, you're going to pick that up before us, we would want to be able to pull those students for the kind of mentorship and education, aimed at preventing them from going down that road.
Gang activities in schools are not new, but the frequency with which students are now forming gangs is a cause for concern.
Someone said to me that there was something about the crime situation, and they were saying that, no man, your crime will be lower now because who you're looking for are back in school. Sounds laughable, but I can tell you, the last weapon that we got was from a 17-year-old.
At a Safe School Symposium in St. Catherine recently, head of the St. Catherine South Police, SSP Christopher Phillips, said some school leaders have been turning a blind eye to disruptive and violent students.
I went to a school and I was a bit perturbed by the fact that a student put him on a teacher and was still allowed to remain there because a meeting was not planned yet. Crazy.
He pointed to one of the most wanted men in the island.
When I did some background check about this person, I recognized that he started to give problem from junior high school. Was well known to teachers and everybody, and he eventually graduated, where he's killing elderly left, right, and center.
Kelisha Williams, TVJ News.